everyone. Today we will learn about loop statement in Python. What is loop statement in Python? A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. In Python programming language, the loop statements provides following the types of loops to handle looping requirements. So, in this tutorial, we will discuss about Python loops. Basically, three types of loops we can see in Python programming language: for loop, while loop, and nested loop. So let's start. What is for loop? For loop is used for iterating over a sequence. That is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, a string, etc. And with the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list or in a tuple in a dictionary. Let's see an example. Just we can write a list here, list name. We can write multiple names here: Sarah, John, Ronnie, Ben. Yes. And now, if we want to write a for loop with this loop list, what happened? For name, this is names because here lots of them. For name in names, this colon we must need to give end of this sentence. If we print the name, what happened? Yes, we can see all of the names came one after one by one. So with this for loop, we can easily take all the names from this list. This list is a very small list. That's reason we can see it's also very easy to know about that which name is first and second and third position. But if the list is so big and huge, so that time this statement is very important. We will see another example. Maybe for x in range, we can set a range, maybe 1 to 20, and after that print x. What happened? Yes, all the numbers between 1 to 20 is printed here. So we can also do it very quickly. We can take any number to use this for loop. If we just give one thing here, maybe 2, what happened? Let's see. Yes. Here all the numbers also come between 1 to 20, but 2 means we can see the number gap is 2. If we minus 3 to 1, we see it's 2, 5 to 3, so 2. If we write here 3, what happened? All numbers came between 1 to 20, and the difference between every number is 3. So with this for loop, we can also give the range. It's also a nice thing to know. We see here the two examples. From these examples, maybe we are clear about the for loops. So now we will jump to the while loop. What is while loop? While loop is used for repeat a specific block of code an unknown number of times until a condition is satisfied. So we will see now examples with while loop. Maybe number equal to 1 while number is greater than 10 colon number plus equal to 1. Print number. What happened? If we run this program, we will see here all the numbers is printed here that is greater than 1. And the iteration is doing here 1 after 1. We can also see this number here if we just set a range 1 to 10. It also possible, but with while loop it's a bit different, so we can do the same things with for loops and while loops. But sometimes in the programming we need to know both of the loops, so it might be very helpful to know about those loops. We can see now another example with while loop. Maybe, yes, here another thing I want to mention, if we just delete this line here, and we can also write here number plus equal to 1. So it might also same. So we can write this line or this condition upper the print statement or below the print statement. It's same things. And we will see another example here. Maybe count equal to 0 while count greater than 3 colon count plus equal to 1 print hello else print stop. What happened? Yes, here in this example we can easily see, because in the last tutorial maybe we will learn about, we already learned about the if else statement. So with this while loop we can also combine the else statement. It's also possible. Count is 1 if it's less than, count is 3 less than 3, so just print 3 times hello, else stop So we can see here hello comes 3 times, and after that, because of else statement, we just need to write here stop. It's printed stop. So it's also very nice to know this combining thing, combining else with while loops. So what is nested loop in Python? If a loop exists inside the body of another loop, it's called a nested loop. So we can see an example that make us more clear. Maybe A is the number placed 1, 2, 3, and B is another number placed 4, 5, and 6. If we want to write a nested loop, how is it to work? For I in A, for J in B. If we print I and J together, I and J, so we can see here what happened. 1 with 4, 5, 1 with 5, 1 with 6, and it's iterate. Every time 1 comes with 3, the numbers B, and 2 comes with 3 numbers from B, and also this. It's an example of nested loops. There are many types of example we can see, but in this tutorial is for beginners, so I think it's enough for today. So see you in the next video. For today, bye.